Hey guys, Mr. Baines here to talk about mean, median, and mode. Let's get started. Add this to your table of contents. Go ahead and pause it. Alright. You will be able to find the mean, median, and mode of a set of numbers. These are also called the measures of center. So the mean is the sum of the data values divided by the number of items. This is also the average. The median is the middle data value when the values are written in numerical order. And mode is the data value that occurs most often. All right, so to find the mean of the ages of the Apollo pilots, you add their ages, then divide by 7 because there are 7 pilots. So you get 38. 38 is correct. All right. So here's another example. Find the mean. You'd add these up. 10 plus 8 plus 8 is 26, plus 9 is 35, plus 5 is 40, and then you divide by 5, and you get 8. I don't know why that didn't show up then. All right, find the mean of this. Go ahead and pause it. The correct answer is 23. Find the mean of this. Go ahead and pause it. All right. Correct answer is 8. Now, write the definition of mean in a tip chart. Go ahead and pause it. All right. What's the median of the following data? So you'd line these up in order. So 5, 5, 8, 8, 9, 10. Then you cross off the ends. So 5 goes away, 10 goes away, one of the 8s goes away, and then 9 goes away. Okay. It's not an even set of numbers. So the answer here would be 8. These boxes are supposed to go away, and they're not. Sorry. All right. Now, if it's an even set of numbers, you have to find the mean of the two middle numbers. So you'd line these up 3, 4, 8, 9, 12, 14. 3 goes away, 14 goes away, 4 goes away, 12 goes away. Now we have 2 in the middle, 8 and 9. You need to find the mean of those numbers. So 8 plus 9 is 17. Divide that by 2, and you get 8.5. So behind that pink box is an 8.5. All right. Find the median of these numbers. Go ahead and pause it. All right. Correct answer is 5.5. Try this one. Go ahead and pause it. Correct answer is 3.5. Not 3 and 4. You got to find the mean of those two numbers. All right. Last one for median. What number can be added to the data set below so that the median is 134? Actually, wait, I think there's one more after this. All right, go ahead and pause it. Okay, if you want the median to be 134, you need any number less than 133. So the 54 would cancel, the 156 would cancel, then the 163 would cancel, then 79 would go away, then 156, then these two are in the middle, so you find the middle of those two. But if you add another number, 133, then that one goes away and that one goes away, and then you're left with that in the middle. All right, try this one. Oh, looks like the answer is already there. Skip it. All right, do the tip chart. Go ahead and pause it. Okay. All right. These ones were supposed to be hidden. No, wait, it's an example. Okay. So Mr. Smith Makes a scavenger hunt for his students. They had to find the buried treasure. This is how many coins each student found. If you find the mean, each student found about 6 coins, and then the middle student found 7 coins. Okay, what's the mode of this number up here? Go ahead and pause it. Oh no, don't pause it. All right. The mode is 8 because there are 2 8s. And for this one, there's actually no mode because all of the numbers are 1. This is a randomly distributed set. And there is no mode. If you want 2 modes, then you'd have to add like another 1 and another 2. That would make 2 modes. If you added a 1, a 2, and a 3, then you'd have 3 modes, 1, 2, and 3. All right. What could you add? What number or numbers can be added to the data set? So there are 2 modes. Go ahead and pause it. Correct answer is 3 or 9. Well, 3 and 9. Gotta have 2 3s, 2 9s. Okay. Try this one. Go ahead and pause it. In this case, you can add a 2 or a 3. Doesn't matter, a 2 or a 3. Okay. Make a tip chart for the word mode. All right. Here are some ways that we can apply this. So if J bought gifts that cost 24, 26, 20, and 18, she has one more gift to buy and wants her mean cost to be 24. What should she spend for her last gift? There's 3 methods to solve a problem like this. You can guess and check. Oh, that needs to go away, so I'm taking that away. Sorry. Let's try that again. All right, so you could guess, maybe pick 30, because you know you want kind of on the bigger side here to make 24 closer. So 24 plus 26 plus 20 plus 18 plus 30 divided by 5 gives you 23.6. Not quite right. Try a bigger price. Maybe you tried 31. You wouldn't quite get 24. You'd get 23.8. If you tried 31, then you'd get 24. Okay? The same question, you could also work it backwards. So if you know that she'll have 5 gifts, if all 5 gifts cost $24, then the total cost should be $120. So the sum of the first 4 gifts is 88. So when you add these up, 24, 26, 20, 18, you get 88. The last gift should cost 120 minus 88. So you should only have, or it costs 32. Same answer, just different method. And the third method, you could do write an equation. So 24 plus 26 plus 20 plus 18 plus x divided by 5 equals 24. So these add up to 88 plus x divided by 5. Take this number, multiply it over, because the opposite of division is multiplication. So then you have 88 plus x equals 120. Then you subtract 88. And 88, or 120 minus 88 gives you 32. So this number is 32. All right. This one is one more example problem. So if you have 87, 86, 89, and 88, you want to have an average of 90. What do you have to get on this test to get that average of 90? So you could do the equation one. All right. Multiply by 5. Oh, yeah. So 350. Multiply by 5. You get 450. So 450 minus 350 gives you x is 100. You need to score a perfect 100 on that test. All right. Try this one on your own. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, the correct answer is 84 to get an average of 82. All right. Try this one on your own. This is pretty much the same, but your friend thinks that there's no way for you to get an average of 85 because you'd have to get a number above 100. All right, go ahead and pause it. Your friend is correct. To score, get an 85 average, you'd have to score 102% on the test, which would mean you get one more question right than there even are questions. All right. Find the mean, median, mode of this data set. Go ahead and pause it. Okay. Now, what if we add a 60 in there? What do you think is going to happen to it? All right, go ahead and pause it. The mean went down, the median went down, the mode stayed the same, but we added an extra mode in there. Oh, that's supposed to... Okay, that was kind of weird. All right. These are not doing what I asked them to. Okay. Sorry. All right. What would happen to the mean, median, and mode here if x was less than the mean, x equals the mean, or x was greater than the mean? Write your answers to these three in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. Okay. If you add a number less than this, then the mean is going to go down. If you add 58 to it, then nothing will change. The mean will be the same. And if you add a number greater than the mean, then the mean will go up. Same set of numbers. How would the median change? If you add a number less than 55, less than 57 in there, then you would get 57 as your median. Because right now the median is right in between these two, so halfway in between. So if you add a number lower, then this one becomes the median. All right, if it was between these two, then that would be the median. Whatever you add becomes the median. And then if it's bigger than 58, then the median becomes 58. Okay? All right, last question. Consider the data set, identify the data set that remain if you add a 79. So, or I'm sorry, that remain the same. So if I add a 79 to this, which of these values stay the same? Go ahead and pause it. Correct answer is the mode, the range, and the minimum all stay the same. So if I add a 79, the minimum is still 78. The mode is still none. There are no modes. And the range is still 78 to 90. There's no number smaller, no number bigger than those. Okay, that's it for this video. Go to Google Classrooms and answer the questions on the Google Doc. I'll see you next time.